Good morning. Today we are going to study the hormonal control of male reproductive system. It is actually a part of structure of male reproductive system of standard 12 chapter 3. In hormonal control of male reproductive system, first of all, it starts from hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a part of brain. It produces GnRH. The full form of GnRH is gonadotropin releasing hormone. Hypothalamus send this hormone to the anterior part of the pituitary. That's why I have written it stimulates the anterior part of the anterior lobe of pituitary. Whenever this GnRH reaches to pituitary, now it starts. That means pituitary start after receiving information. Pituitary start to release LH or FSH. LH is also known as ICSH. ICSH, that means interstitial cells stimulating hormone, or LH full form luteinizing hormone. FSH full form follicle stimulating hormone. Now this LH will stimulate the Leydig cell of testis. Inside the testis, I have explained this in the previous video. In Leydig cell, it start to release testosterone. Here two objective points must be remembered, that Leydig cell is responsible to secrete the testosterone, whereas the seminiferous tubule is responsible for releasing or producing a sperm. So Leydig cell is got stimulated after getting LH from pituitary. It start to secrete testosterone, which is also known as the sex hormone of male. The another one, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, it go to Sertoli cells. I have previously explained that inside the testis, the interstitial cells, along with the interstitial cells, Sertoli cells are found around the seminiferous tubule inside the testis. So Sertoli cells is got stimulated by getting FSH. Now this FSH will stimulate the Sertoli cell to produce two chemicals. One is androgen binding protein. Shortly we can say it ABP. Here it is ABP, androgen binding protein, and the other is inhibin. Now we should know the function of these three chemicals. First is testosterone, second is ABP, third is inhibin. So I have written here, you can see androgen, its main function is to concentrate the testosterone in the seminiferous tubule or in the testis. Androgen helps in increasing the concentration of testosterone. It is stimulated by Sertoli cells. Now inhibin suppresses the release of FSH. It is inhibitory hormone. That means inhibin is produced when the amount of FSH is quite sufficient. Then it inhibits the secretion of FSH. The third one is testosterone. Testosterone and FSH both stimulate the spermatogonia. We have studied that spermatogonia are the initial part of the formation of sperm. So spermatogonia are the specific cells producing sperms. Spermatogonia is stimulated by testosterone and FSH to produce a spermatozoa. There are very different steps of production of a sperm. You must remember, a spermatogonia will produce a spermatid, and then a spermatid will change into a sperm or a spermatozoa. But here I have written directly spermatogonia to produce a spermatozoa. Thank you.